guys, I'm here to talk about our free apps, and I have a couple that are really pretty cool. It's the Upside, which I use for gas primarily, but there's a couple of restaurants that in my area, at least, that also are really good. But like, for instance, last night I got gas and I saved 12 cents a gallon. So, I mean, that's pretty good considering gas prices are through the roof right now. I know they've been worse, but I got 12 cents a gallon. And then, in my area, I've got this restaurant, Mama Goldberg's Deli. I live in Auburn, Alabama, and that's kind of an Auburn tradition. I can save, let's see, where is it? I'm looking on my app now. I can save 16% cash back. I mean, on every purchase, on a total purchase, if I'm spending 40 bucks for, a family of three on our lunch or dinner or whatever, I can, that's a pretty good chunk of change. And that's in my back office, and then depends on when you're eating out. Jersey Mike's is in here. Okay. Dunkin' Donuts. Who doesn't go to Dunkin' Donuts, right? So I can get, I mean, Dunkin's only 2%, but 2% is 2%. How many times do you go to Dunkin' Donuts, right? Okay. So Marco's Pizza. Who doesn't have Marco's Pizza, right? Anyway, so the other one I use a lot is Tapestri. All you got to do is hop on the app, check in wherever you go. And then there's some automatic check-ins too. And you get like 2 or 3 cents for every check-in. And you get driving, you get some other stuff too. You can watch videos and it adds up. I have Lifetime right now, and I've been doing it for a few months. I have $100. So that adds up, right? I know these sound like small numbers, but after a while, it really kind of adds up. So that's what I got for you so far. Thanks.
This is Kimberly Niemeyer. So I wanted to tell you I'm going to say quick way, but easy way to make a few dollars. It's not a quick rich program. You're not going to make millions of dollars with this, but it will get you a tank of gas a month. I think I could safely say that, because that is about what we make, about $140 to $100 every month with Tapestri. So my husband uses it mostly. He just goes in and everywhere he drives, he hits the drive and adds up. And so that money adds up to a tank of gas every month. And then if we play games or we get out of the house, which many of you are going to do this summer, then you can hit the check-ins. And that adds up to even more. And so if you're looking for a little bit of money to make this summer and stay home, or to be able to take the children out to a museum, then this is an easy way to do that and add some extra cash. Thank you. Have a great day.